I'm taking out the bananas now out of the pot and let the sweet potato finish boiling. If I was just boiling the bananas alone, I would just pour off the water and leave the bananas in the pot until I'm ready for them. But I will just put them in this dish. So you can see the skin is already easily coming off. Take off this is from the sweet potato. Look at this, I could just use this and just peel it off just like that, and it's nice and white and pretty. No stain. So if I had not put the lime juice in the pot, all of them would have that dark part. So that dark part was what was sticking up out of the pot. So the lime juice didn't catch it. And I have some beautiful boiled bananas. Easy, easy, easy for my breakfast. A lot of people don't like, they love boiled banana, but they don't like to peel them. So this is an easy way to do it, so you don't have to peel them before.